Hi, my name is Riley Schulke, and I am a student at the University of Idaho, so I'll be demonstrating the usability of the institution's site feature, the Career Finder. The university's Career Finder is an extremely user-friendly feature offered through their site. The site appeals to a number of users who may wish to utilize different features offered on this page. For example, those users who may already have a career in mind, searching for their career and finding information on it is simple and, as you can see, highly readable. So, looking into a specific degree, pulls up their median salary, what you're expected to make right out of school, what you're expected to make if you become really good at the job, what degrees might be necessary, or which degrees can apply towards this career. So pretty much all of the information you would need when looking at a career. It uses efficient labels that allow you to view the multitude of features that may be concerned with when looking into a career, and as well as thorough information associated with each. Like I said, the wages, there's graphs and all the information associated with that. Employment status tells you where you can find jobs, things such as that. That being said, for users who may be unsure on what career it is that they're interested, there's an assessment feature that analyzes the user's interests and desires through either the quick or the detailed assessment. I went ahead and took the quick assessment here, which consists of 6 questions, where the detailed assessment consists of 60. The difference being obviously that the quick assessment provides more overarching questions, while the in-depth assessment has 60 in-depth questions. So completing these assessments, depending on where the user's preferences may lie, is an extremely simple and direct process. I'll go ahead and click through that real quick just so you can see what it looks like. We'll do the quick assessment. So as you can see, it just asks these overarching questions, since it is a little bit of a less specific one in comparison to the detailed assessment. And then it goes ahead and pulls up the 3 different fields that you're likely to find a job or a career that you like, and then which majors are applicable to those. And then when you click on one, it'll show you all of the actual specific jobs and how much of a match they were based on your assessment. So completing these assessments, depending on where the user's preferences may lie, is an extremely simple and direct process. Once you've completed the assessment, whichever one you choose, you're shown the descriptors of the career fields that may fit you as the user, as well as the number of degrees applicable. Navigating through the degrees and then seeing your career options is very simple and, yet again, a readable task. So as you can see, the page requires very little searching for what it is that the user is looking for, all while providing a number of options and variety to their users. Each process offered may be completed within expecting time frame and does well at providing what it is that the user would want out of the site.